So now our discussion will be on list again, but this time we'll be talking about shallow and deep copy in list. Okay, so what is shallow and deep copy? So first, let me just go to my Anaconda Navigator. Okay, so let me create a list. Like let me call it as colors, or let me call cities is equal to. I'll just create some cities: Chennai, okay, Mumbai, and Delhi. Delhi. Okay, there are three cities. Okay, so let me call them as cities one. Cities one. Okay, let me cities one. Fine. Now when I say cities one, Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi. It's a list of strings. That's all. List of strings. That's all. Okay. Now, if I do something like this, if I say, okay, let me make it simple. So let me make it a city one. Okay, it doesn't matter. City one and city two. Okay, city one is Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi. Now, city two, I want to copy from city one. That means what? See, city one and city two, they both refer to the same object, same list object, same list object. Okay. Now, see, when I see the assignment, basically we assign the address of city one. That means whatever address which is in city one to city two. That means what? City one and city two, they point to the same object. Which object? The list object. Okay, the list object is called Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi. Right? Now I just print city two. Look at this. City two. Same as city one. I can give print here also, it doesn't matter. Okay, look at this, city two. Now, how do we know that they both belong to the same object? They point to the same object. We just do this way. What do we do? Okay, we just say print ID of city one, comma ID of city two. So ID is identity function. Identity function. Okay, now look at this. Yeah, both are 8,000. Look at this. Both are 8,000, ending with 8,000. Both the numbers are same. Both the numbers are same. That means, see, there are two variables here. If I want to show this some demo, look at this. See, this is a list actually. Which the list contains Delhi, Mumbai, and Chennai, and city one, city two both point to the same list object. Same list object. Okay, and of course, list object contains so many elements: Chennai, Delhi, Mumbai, and all. But city one, city two, they refer to or point to the same list object which is at the center. Okay, how do we prove it? So what I'll do, I'll just go to the next cell. I'll just say city one, okay, of 0 is changed to from Chennai. I'm changing it to Hyderabad. Hyderabad. Okay, fine. Now, if I look at city one, look at this. Yeah, got changed as we expected. Okay, city one has become Hyderabad, Mumbai, Delhi. Now, to our surprise, city two, let us say city two. Look at this. Yeah, city two also has changed to Hyderabad, Mumbai, Delhi because they both are pointing to the same object. Right? So, this is the first point which we need to note down. Now, okay, of course, they point to the same object. Can I try something like this? City 2, okay, of city 2 is equal to, see, already it was pointing to Chennai, Hyderabad, sorry, city 2 is, see, I'll just, it's Hyderabad, Mumbai, Delhi. Now what I'll do, I'll make it to point to Chennai, comma, Delhi, or let me take Bangalore, okay, and okay, so we take Kolkata. Fine. Now let us see city 2. City 2. Yeah, as we expected, Chennai, Bangalore, Kolkata. But let us see city 1. City 1. Yeah, city 1 has not changed. See, even though in our demonstration when I started, both were pointing to the same object. In 9th cell, actually, what we do, we create one more list object with the name Chennai, Bangalore, Kolkata, and we make it, okay, we make city 2 to point to this object. So city 2 is pointing to Chennai, Bangalore, Kolkata, But city 1 is already pointing to Hyderabad, Mumbai, Delhi. They don't change. It doesn't change. Okay. Only thing is, see, instead of, see, initially they were pointing to single object was there. Both city 1, city 2 are referring to single object. Right now we created two objects, and city 1 was pointing to Hyderabad, Mumbai, Delhi. City 2 is pointing to Chennai, Bangalore, Kolkata. That's it. Fine. Okay. Now I'll just go here. I'm going to do something like this. Colors is equal to red. Okay. Green. Green. So what I'll do, I don't want, see, color, let me call colors 1. Colors 1. So colors 1 will be red and green. Okay, fine. Now, if I do something like this, colors, see, I don't want, the thing is, value which is affecting. See, when I city 1, okay, was, something. So let me just do something again. Let me go back and do it again. So that, see, yeah, city 1 is this. Okay. Then city 1 is assigned to city 2. So city 2 was also this. So when I make some changes in city 1, it affects city 2. But I don't want that to happen. So what can I do? So I go back here and control. So city 1 will be, see, city 1 will be Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi. Now I don't want to do this. If I do this, if I assign directly city 1 to city 2, they both point to same object. Instead of directly assigning it, what I can do this copy. Look at this. Copy. So when I put city1 dot copy, okay, and I print city2, now both will be same value wise. Look at this. See, Chennai, I put control enter. So city1, city2 both will be same. I'll just say city1, city2. Look at this. Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi. But the difference is, now I'll see what I'll do. I'll just say city 1 of 0. That means I want to change from Chennai to Nagpur. Okay. Now I'll just copy this. Control C, Control V. Sorry, Control V. Okay. Now I'll just look at this. Yeah. Since we used city1 dot copy onto city 2. Okay, we made a copy of city 1 object, and that object is pointed by city 2. So that even though we change in city 1, it does not affect city 2. Look at this. City 1 has become Nagpur, Mumbai, Delhi. But city 2, Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi. It was original. Okay, fine. So this is the advantage of dot copy, object dot copy, list dot copy. So it create a new object, and the new object is being pointed by some other variable. Fine. Now let me just extend it further. Say I have Delhi, and I have a sub list here. For example, let us say pin code wise, I'll just put some pin code 6001, comma, Mumbai will be 400. Okay, then Delhi will be 100. Okay, so see, of course, there is no relevance here, but I just want to show you something. See, look at this. So we have this. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll just copy again. Look at this, I'll just copy city 1 to city 2. So both will be same right now. But what happens is, if I try to change something, I'll just do something. So look at this. Now what I'll do, I'll just say city 1 of, see, this pin code is the 0, 1, 2, third element actually. So I'll put 3 of, okay. And I want to change the Chennai pin code to from 6 into something like 7. But it's wrong, but just for our understanding. Okay. So 0th element, city 1 of 3. See, city 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. That's third element. This third element. Out of third element, I want 0th element to be changed to, okay, 70001. Okay, fine. 7001. Look at this. Then what I'll do, once I do it, I'll just copy this again. Control V. Look at this. Yeah, why? Both of them have changed. I changed it only one. See, look at this. I changed it only in city 1 of 3. Look at this. Look at 21. I changed it only in city 1 3, 0. But city 2 also got changed. Look at this. Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi, city 2. See, this is city 1. Up to here it is city 1. Okay, then from here it is city 2. Look at this. If you want, I'll put it in separate lines. Don't worry. City 1, print, city 2. Look at this. Why it happened? That's because of, see, that thing is, even though you have created a copy of the city 1 and put it into city 2, it has not made a deep copy. That's called shallow copy. That's called shallow copy. So how to overcome this? So, see, I'll start from the beginning. Okay, then city 1 will be this. Okay, then instead of copy, I should not give copy. I'll just go here. I'll just say import. Okay, from copy. Okay, import. Okay, fine. Deep copy. Okay, from copy, import, deep copy. Just give enter. Look at this. Okay, see, copy is basically it's a package. Within the package, there's a function called deep copy. So I imported it. Now what I'll go here. I'll just say I should not do this way. I should it's a function. So I'll say deep copy. It's not part of the list actually. Deep copy and city 1. City 1. Okay. So deep copy is not a method of list. It's a function, outside function. So that is why you import it. Now look at this. Yeah, look at this. Now look at the C. See the output. See. Now both are 6001. Now I'll try to change here. Look at this. Okay, of course, how do you differentiate? You can put an ID. Okay, now I'll just show. See, now I tried to change only city 1. Look at this. Yeah, city 2 has not changed. Look at this. City 1 has changed, but city 2 has not changed because of the deep copy. Okay, so shallow copy means you just apply dot copy, but when you say deep copy, now it should be even the sublist gets created separately, and then the new object is assigned that complete new fresh object which contains not only the normal elements but also the sub elements. Okay, fine. So I hope it was clear. Now you can see, if you want, you can just see. I'll just repeat again. See, we created okay, city 1. I just control enter. City 1 is having 6 lakhs 1. So city 1 is this. Then I import deep copy from copy package. Then I call deep copy city 1. So you can see here. I'll put an ID of these two so that you can just see. From ID of look at this. IDs are different. Look at this. IDs are different. Okay. Then what I try to do, I try to copy in city 1. So I make it city 2. Doesn't matter anything. Okay. I want to make changes only in city 2, not in city 1. Look at the output. Yeah. City 2 got changed. City 1 remains same. Okay. So this is the advantage of deep copy. Okay. So we learnt about copy, deep copy, and without copying, how do you get it? Everything. Okay. Hope this session was useful. We'll do something productive in the next demonstration. Thank you.